Storyboard, add content block. This is the video library with the uploaded videos. Now let's add a new video. Select the source, or you can click and drag the video and upload. After uploading, you can click here to preview the video. Then you can select the video in the library, then click next, and add to Storyboard. Go to your Storyboard, then hit play. You can even use the laser pointer, pause the video, or rewind. And this is how it looks like in the attendee view. In attendee view, they can even toggle the chat and even use the full screen view. You can also use the PIP option. You can also change the video where you want to position it. That's all. Thank you very much.